Assalamu alaikum. This is Ashik from 360 MIT Solution. Today we are going to show how to install Kali Linux on a pen drive via VMware Workstation so that we can later use it as a bootable device. And also we are going to show you how to enable the root user in 2020.2 version, that means the latest version as today. As you know, from 2021 version, Kali Linux will no longer support default root user. For that we have to enable it. So let's begin. First of all, we have to create a virtual machine. I'll choose it as custom because of I have to select the hard drive as a physical hard drives. Install. I have to choose Linux, and the version will be other Linux 5 point or later kernel 64-bit. Here I can select Kali Linux. Next, number of processor 1. Memory will be, I am assigning as 2 GB. Net. So next, virtual disk type SSD. Okay. Here I have to select use a physical disk, and next, and I have to select my pen drive. This will be my pen drive. Next, now I have to select the ISO image which I have already downloaded from Kali Linux official website. The version as now 2020.2, or you can say 2020.2. This is the latest version. For boot menu, I have to press escape and select the CD-ROM. Install, graphical install. It will take some time for other configurations. Password. I am using VMware Workstation to install the Kali Linux in my pen drive instead of using directly in my PC, because of I may accidentally delete all the hard drive data or partition. Some of the user already did it. For the consideration of the risk, I am using it via VMware Workstation. So let's wipe the pen drive data. I will choose all file in one partition. Finish. Yes. It will take some time. Well, now it's begun to start installing the Kali Linux. Here I am going to select all of them, and especially I am going to show you how to enable root user in GNOME desktop version. It will take some time because of others of the things they will download from internet. It depends how fast is your internet. Well, finally the installation process has been completed. It took almost 2 hours because of I installed it on directly on pen drive and with all the options Kali Linux have. Now we are going to log in our account as I created earlier. Well, here is the Windows. Let's check the kernel version. It is 5.6.0 and let's check the distro information. You can see the version is 2020.2. Well, by default in this version and earlier 2020.1 we don't have any root user. We have to create it or enable it. The process is, first of all, we have to log in as root. The command will be okay. Now I have to enter this user password. Now I am logged in as root. Now we are going to set the root password. For that we have to type command password, enter, type the new password for root account user. Now we have successfully created the root password, and we have to now we have to exit from root user login. For GNOME desktop environment we have to do some extra job, like we have to now add a file. The command will be sudo pam.d slash gtm password. Now here in this second line we have to just enter the hash command for active the root user and save and exit. To save the file we have to press Ctrl plus X, then for the confirmation save and exit we have to press Y and enter. Now the file is saved and we can log in via root user. For check it we have to exit from this, log out from this user, well, username root, password Okay, you can see I am already logged in with the root user access. It will take some time for first time desktop appearance. Well, to check I am logged in as a root user or not, just I'm running a command, who am I, and you can see I am root user in Kali 2020.2 version. Thanks for watching. For more update, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Inshallah, with your response and inspiration, we will try to upload more videos on technology.